Hi guys, welcome back to Beat Beauty. In today's video, I'm really excited to share with you a brand called Lashify that I recently discovered. They're a beautiful eyelash brand that's designed to be really easy to apply, and they can last for up to 7 days, so they're absolutely amazing. I'm going to show you how to create a really beautiful winged out eyelash look in just a few simple steps. And trust me, if I can do it, you can do it, because I am not the best at putting on eyelashes. So I came across the brand Lashify at an event a couple of weeks ago. I was, cynical at first because I'm really not very good at putting on eyelashes, and so I'm always looking for a really simple fix for that. But honestly, most of the time I don't even bother to attempt to apply eyelashes unless it's a really special occasion, just because I find it so fiddly with normal eyelashes. But let me introduce you to the wand, which I think is the real game changer here. This little instrument that the Lashify people have created is a complete game changer. You use it to take the lashes out of the little packet, but also you use it to clamp the lashes to your own lashes, and that really bonds them together and they don't move anywhere during the night. Another really great thing about these lashes is that you can layer them up. So you can use, I've got this as the C10, so C stands for curl and 10 means 10 millimeters. I've also got the C16, and now these ones are absolutely beautiful long lashes, but honestly I tried them all the way across the lash and I felt like it was just a little bit dolly bird. So I tried then using them just as a sort of wing, and they're so beautiful. So I'm going to be showing you how to apply the C10s over the top, just for a really nice curled look, and then I'll use the longer ones just to wing out the eye for a really pretty eyelash look. So let me talk you through exactly how to do that. It is really easy. Your first step is actually going to be to apply their bond. It's called the Whisper Light Flexible Bond. And I love with this one as well that they've thought through having two different bonds. So you've got the clear one on one end, and then you've got the dark one on the other end. It's also hypoallergenic and it's dermatologically tested, suitable for contact lens wearers like myself, so that's amazing. I always get a little nervous of having glue near my eyes in case they get sensitive or start watering up during the evening, but that's not gonna happen with these. I road tested the lashes on Saturday. They stayed in place. They didn't irritate my eyes. I was really impressed. I actually slept with them in. As long as you use an oil-free makeup remover, you can keep them on, and the next day they still looked amazing when I woke up. So I was impressed with that. So I am going to start with the adhesive. So I'll get a little bit, I'm going to use the black one. You could choose whichever one you want. It's really a matter of preference. And then you want a handheld mirror. If you get what they call their control set, which I don't have, but that one comes with 2 sets of lashes, the glue, the wand, and then a sealer, and it also has a beautiful handheld mirror in there, so that's going to be really helpful for applying. But so I'm going to get the dark adhesive or bond, and I'm just going to put it close to the lash line. You don't need to pull it all the way through like a mascara. You don't want it on the ends so much. And then you've got about 2 minutes to play with the lashes before that glue is going to dry. So I'll get the C10 lashes, and I'm just gonna, it's marked left and right, so it's a complete no-brainer. So I'm gonna go for the right and side ones. Just grab them with my wand and then just pop them into place. And the interesting thing is you put them underneath. So where you've just applied that glue, you're just gonna pop them under there, slip them in. There's one. Two. I just want to do 3 of the 10 millimeter. Then I'm just going to get my wand and I'm going to clamp my lashes to the lashes, which is just really clever. So just get them in the other way around, clamp them in, and that is going to stop them from budging. Amazing. I think you can already see a bit of a difference there. Then I'm going to get my C16 lashes. So that stands for 16 millimeters. And I am just gonna grab, make sure it is the right eye. Yep. I'm gonna get 2 of these. You can actually pick them up at the same time. I don't know if I'm skilled enough to apply them at the same time yet, but I've seen the founder of the brand doing it on her Instagram and it's pretty impressive. So that's like super speedy, but I'm gonna do them separately. Just make sure I've got enough adhesive going on. And then you get one for the outer corner. And then the next one. Just play around with them until you feel like they're in the right place. And then clamp. Awesome. Then I'm just going to repeat the same on the other side. I think you could already see that beautiful sort of winged look on that eye as opposed to that eye. So I'll do the other eye. Okay, so that is the winged eyelash look. I think you can see that that's made a huge difference from where we started. And you can create so many different looks with these eyelashes. That's what's really, really cool. So I could just do the curled lashes, the 10mm ones, just for a bit of volume and just to look fuller. You wouldn't really need to wear any mascara. You could use the winged, these 16mm lashes all over the eye for a really dramatic look one day. And they've got loads of other options in their range. If you want to find out more about any of the products that I talked about in this video or any of the other options in the Lashify line, you can check out my blog on beatbeauty.com. And if you like my video, please don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.